Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Slack app workflows with incoming webhooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Slack workspace. Navigate to the channel where you want to receive messages from your webhook. Click on the channel name at the top of the screen. Select integrations from the drop-down menu. Look for incoming webhooks in the featured integrations. Click on Add Incoming Webhooks Integration. Choose the channel you want to post, then, click on the Add Incoming Webhooks Integration button. You will see a webhook URL generated for your new integration. Copy the webhook URL to your clipboard. Next, open your preferred code editor or online tool for testing webhooks. Create a simple message in JSON format. For example, write, text, "Hello, this is a test message from Slack." In the editor, paste the copied webhook URL in the request field. Set the request method to post. Now, paste the JSON message in the body section of the request. Once done, send the test request. Go back to your Slack channel to see if the message appears. If successful, you will see your test message in the selected Slack channel. You can now customize the message format as you wish. Consider adding elements like attachments or markdown formatting. Repeat the testing process each time you make changes. With incoming webhooks set up, you can connect other apps to automate messages to your Slack channel. Explore different use cases like integrating with GitHub or project management tools. Now you have successfully configured your Slack app workflows using incoming webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.